What is up, guys? Today, we are making Oreo balls! And just guess what? I'm gonna show you some fucking balls. I sincerely want to apologize for my temper back there. My Roblox girlfriend broke up with me today. It's very sad news, I know. But anyways, let's get back to the cooking. Today, we're gonna be making Oreo balls in 3, 2, 1. And no taking any, little boys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What you want to do with the Oreos is you want to get them from the bag into the other bag. So then you can crush them. This takes a little bit of time. You know, can't get it done at all at once. But you need to use all the Oreos inside of the thing. And then when you get them all crushed up, we will show you what happens next. Anyways, guys, let's get to crushing. Augie! Anyways, guys, let's get to crushing.
Somebody needs something?
Yes, sir, I do. Why, thank you, kind sir. You wanna know what we're gonna do with this? Say hello to my little friend. Now that our Oreos are crushed, what we will do is we will put them in the bowl. We will also put them in cream cheese. Let's cut to that.
He's now putting the cream cheese into the bucket. What are you? Whatever, man.
It's in a bag of moves.
Oh crap! There's cooking recipes in here.
My mom's family photos.
Oh really? Probably shouldn't look at those. Dude, you're using your dirty hands.
I just washed them 5 seconds ago, dumbass.
But like,
This guy retarded. I literally just told him that.
I'm just saying, like, after all the nights, all the jars, all the old
Why is it now that you care? Ding! What you have to do here is you have to mix the cream cheese and the Oreos. I feel like I put your hands in there. Now that the Oreo balls are mixed with the cream cheese and the Oreos, what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna get a pan and then you're gonna put these in balls and you're gonna put them in the freezer. 3, 2, 1. Ding! Now that they're in the balls, we're gonna put them in the freezer.
Wow.
Where should I put them?
I can see he has a lot of different things in his freezer.
There's definitely gotta be a dead body in the fridge.
It's just a little bit.
Wait, what?
1 day later.
Alright guys, let's check on the Oreo balls. They look pretty done to me.
Let me feel. Yep, that looks good.
Ding! Now we are going to put this chocolate into this frying pan. Ding!
No. You want some more?
I should have put Pam on it.
He's looking at his lips. No. Oh, he farted.
Oh, fuck. It's burning. It's burning.
Oh my god, what the hell?
Genius.
We are now moving it into this.
Yeah, so we kind of messed up on the other one. It got burned, but that's fine. Oopsies. Oh, low.
Put it on low so it can...
Yeah, there we go.
Nice and slow. Not nice and slow.
How's that taste?
Delicious. That's a good throw.
Guys, stop fucking eating the merchandise.
Bro, there's nothing to eat.
Now we are going to
Make it
glaze.
like nice and deep.
Buddy, you
I'm
can't
just saying.
Can you shut the fuck up? Now we're gonna glaze some.
Buddy, no treats.
Are you ready?
And you cannot have any.
You should restart cooking.
Now we are going to glaze. Oh yeah.
Can I try one?
Now
Putting like so much on just one little ball.
I can show you a ball.
You're gonna cut that,
It's
right?
gonna take so long.
Gummy worms.
What if that tickle your pickle wall up?
What? That wasn't called for, Buster. Hey, cool it, pal. Look who rolled in from Loser Hill. All that.
Wow, they look so good.
They look like that giraffe shit, bro. What are you talking about? Freezer time. Here we come.
More freezing?
It is now time to put these back in the freezer to freeze all the chocolate on top.
Ouch.
About time I taught you a lesson, Padawan.
You are no longer my master. You join the Sith!
Oh yeah? Well, you're a poopy head.
Get out of your shit, muffin!
I'm screaming young for penis fight.
Cut my dick off for this.
I'm not dead.
Okay, I cut his fucking legs off. It's not fair.
I got you. No.
This was crap.
I got it. I got it.
We'll call it a
Finish him.
We'll call it a fucking
Do it.
We just had the most epic lightsaber battle, and now it's time to check on the merchandise.
Looks like they're done.
Now let's go to the taste test. Okay, pick one.
Dude,
Just pick one up.
it's like cold.
We should have put sprinkles on this. It's so delicious.
Just fucking, okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh. This is fire. What did you rate it on a scale of 1 to 10, guys?
So
You know? It's a lot better than last time.
that's just made. It's actually good. I give it like an 8.
What about you, Weston?
I give it a 9.
Don't be shy, guys. Have some more. I give this probably a 9 out of 10. It's one of my homemade recipes.
Homemade.
I'm being ass. It's homemade.
So you made a recipe yourself?
He's a liar.
Just cut it out. Hold the camera. I'm gonna chug the champagne. As a celebration, I'm gonna be chugging the rest of the champagne. It's up to you, ladies. Do it.
So my long.
Make sure to like and subscribe or else Sherman will go poopy on your face.